You're overspending to lose leases. You're spending thousands on systems like RealPage and Entrata and still losing leases. Here's why. These platforms are built to track and manage your business, not actually grow your occupancy. A lead comes in at 8:12 p.m. No response until the next day. A prospect tours and never hears back. You're not just paying for expensive software, you're paying for every missed follow-up, every lost lease, every empty unit. What if you could lower your costs to grow occupancy while capturing every single opportunity automatically? With Advantage Anywhere, every lead, every tour, every follow-up is handled automatically from start to finish. No chasing leads, no relying on memory, no gaps in your sales process. This is how operators are increasing occupancy while reducing marketing and sales costs. Less spend, better margins. Because the real problem isn't your traffic, it's what happens after the lead comes in. If you want to see how much you're actually spending to grow occupancy and how to lower it, let's talk.